Welcome to Team Tiggio Court TV, where we upload videos every single day. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos.
Ms. Tomasic.
Thank you, Your Honor. I spoke with Mr. Robinson, and he indicated he'd like to waive his final hearing today. He's going to plead guilty to the charges, and we are prepared to proceed with sentencing as well. Thank you.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, please.
What's your plea to the allegations?
Guilty.
Accept your guilty plea and find you guilty. Why is it you keep coming back here?
This was homelessness.
Well, homelessness has nothing to do with drinking and not saying where you live or don't live.
I am stupid.
Okay. You would think the first time around you would have learned. So you were here in 2018 for a case, right?
Yes.
Attempted domestic violence. That's after domestic violence in 16. Why do you keep doing the same stuff over and over again?
Well, it was with my stepdad, but I don't have any excuse. I mean, it was my alcoholism, especially back then, was on a different level.
What have you done to address your alcoholism?
Well, after I went to jail in Florida, I thought going to Florida was going to change my whole problem, but they just followed me. And then I got out of jail there, and I went to sober living, and that's what got me my sobriety for 2 years, and it really helped me. And you know, I didn't get into any more trouble until this happened, and luckily this wasn't alcohol related, but you know, I don't want to go down that path again, because that was probably the worst time of my life. And I feel horrible for disappointing the people around me, and this time was different because I really thought I had it, and I guess I just got complacent, and yeah.
Well, you were here August 7th for sentencing.
Yeah.
And you didn't stop drinking, you kept drinking immediately after that. So remind me why I should keep you on probation?
I really feel like I can do it.
Then why don't you do it?
I don't know. A lot of stuff just keeps happening, and I don't want to create excuses and stuff.
Well, it doesn't just happen. It doesn't happen all by itself.
It just, I guess my emotions, they just run wild, and when I get overwhelmed with something, it's just kind of what I go to, you know. And
Well, where did you get your mental health evaluation?
it was scheduled for the week that I got arrested, but
Why did you wait so long?
It's always been with Signature Health.
Why did you wait so long?
I was just doing one thing at a time. And
What was the one thing you were doing before you got your mental health evaluation?
I got my job, and I was doing the classes with Decision Point,
Okay.
and I was biking everywhere, so
Why don't you get a license?
I owe court fines. I figured all that out, and
When are you going to pay them?
well, as soon as I get another job eventually. I mean, it's priority number one, so.
So what am I supposed to do now with you?
I mean, I really hope you would give me
I know,
one
but
last
what am I
chance.
supposed to do? What's going to cure you?
I really just need to get away from, well, I'm away from Bill and my stepdad in that house now because they're divorced, and if I can get into sober living, I know I can do great things, because I was doing great things before, making a lot of people proud. And you know, when I was younger, I messed up sober living back when I was here, and you know, I really just hope you give me a chance to actually be in an environment where I can actually do it, you know, I don't know.
Why do I have to put you in the environment?
I did look up sober living places, but I just don't have insurance. So before all this happened, I was looking at places. I was looking at homeless shelters like Project Hope, but I just didn't know what would be best, and it was stupid for me not to talk with Nicole, because she would have had my back and probably guided me in the right way.
Ms. Tomaszek?
Thank you, Your Honor. In speaking with Mr. Robinson, he indicated to me on multiple occasions he does need more assistance when it comes to his drinking. He indicated to me that he would like to do and complete the jail treatment program, followed by residential treatment and sober living. He believes with all of that, it'll help him maintain a sober lifestyle, and it'll give him plenty of time to try to find somewhere to live after sober living, so he's not homeless again, and so that he can be in a proper environment for himself. Thank you.
What contact did you have with Monica Kreitz?
She contacted me, I think, almost about a month after being in jail, and she apologized to me for, I guess she called Nicole on me, and she just like, I don't know, it was really weird, and then we said sorry to each other, you know, about what happened, and then 10 days after that, we stopped talking again.
How long have you been in jail?
About 53 days.
How many days there, back there in the peanut gallery?
50 days, Your Honor. He has 52 total days for it, but 50 on this violation.
Just seemed like 53. How many classes of decision points did you do?
I did 3, and I was on my 4th when I was going in on that Monday.
How many AA meetings were you going to?
None.
Why not?
I guess I just thought I had it, and I definitely didn't.
What made you think you had it?
It was just a while before, it was so long, you know, that I craved alcohol, and I thought I just had it out of my system finally, you know, and then it creeped back up.
many are you gonna go to now?
I'm sorry.
How many are you gonna go to now?
As many as needed.
How many are needed?
Probably 3, I would guess. Couple. I mean, it's probably not the worst idea to start off strong.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
It's probably, I wouldn't put it in such a negative light. It's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Put it in a positive light. Because that makes me think you don't really believe it when you say it probably wouldn't be a bad idea.
It is a good idea.
I'm gonna keep you on community control, 95 days, credit 50, the last 30 jail treatment, follow the recommendations. Then Lake House or Concord Pines, after that, complete that. Then at least 6 months in a sober living facility. Decision points, no drugs or alcohol or screens. Full employment. Valid driver's license. No contact with Monica Kreitz. No contact, no contact, no contact. Pay the costs and supervision fees. Anything else, Ms. Randazzo?
Is there an order for AA or is it
No.
the defendant?
No. If he wants to stop coming in and out of here, then he'll figure that he needs to go there, and he'll probably even maybe get a sponsor, because that wouldn't be the worst idea. You understand everything?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're running out of time here. This has been going on for 7 years.
Yeah.
Here and other places, but here for 7 years. Almost 8 years. You gotta quit getting drunk up and beating on women. Because that's what all your stuff shows. Booze and beating on women. Anything else, Ms. Tomasic?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Great.
All right.